Got a pizza oven for Father's Day. And it's a little early because we're gonna be out of town. But tomorrow, I'll be cooking a pizza right there. This is Pizza Oven 1.0. We are going to unload the pizza oven one by one to the patio. We're gonna move the picnic table and make a pizza for lunch. She is burning away.
Hi. You just want to make some videos.
I was checking the temperatures, and the outside gets up to 200 plus, and then inside the firebox it's got over 400. Well, not the firebox, but where you cook the pizza. Inside where the fires is over 1,000, so we can't really test that spot. We should be able to cook a pizza. I'm firing the bricks right now, and then tonight when I get home I'll make another fire after work and make a pizza. Well, yesterday we fired the brick, got everything really hot. I'm going to get it hot again. I floured the bricks to put the pizza on, and that wasn't recommended. I just thought it was a good idea. And then I'm just gonna do a Mama Cozy's cheap pizza for my first pizza, just to see how it turns out. I'll let you know and keep you posted as I'm cooking. We got the fire going pretty good. The oven is about 300 degrees inside, so we'll see what happens. I think patience is key, like waiting for the fire to get going good so you can get rid of most of the smoke. I might be a little impatient this time, we'll let you know. I started the fire at 11:55, it's been 10 minutes, and the pizza's in, so we'll time that. Seems to be turning out amazing. I did get my fire glove and a big spatula. I am waiting for a better spatula to come from the Amazon man today, but she's looking pretty good. I think a couple more minutes and it'll be done. I don't know what to expect, if it's gonna be like a smoky taste or burnt flavor. I'll let you know. It is looking amazing. Look at that. So it is crispy. You can hear that crust. I'll give it a bite. Hello, best today ever. So the pizza review. The pizza was pretty good. It had a really good crispy crust. The top was done really well. The pepperoni got crispy. I didn't like that it had so much smoke flavor. My wife said it kind of smelled chemically, but I ate the whole pizza anyway. I did go back out to the stove after eating the pizza and I added more firewood. I got the oven part up from 350 to 650 degrees. So I think the key is probably to get the fire hotter, which would have less smoke, But for the first trial and error on the first pizza, I thought it turned out really good. I am going to make a chicken bacon pizza next week with barbecue sauce, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be continuing to make videos about the pizza oven, and we are gonna make our own dough. My wife has a sweet bread pizza dough recipe that I'm gonna try, and then we'll probably do some Sweet Baby Ray's. So pay attention, there'll be some more videos about cooking pizzas. Thanks for watching, have a great day.